Hi guys, and welcome to this video. This is Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Well, during these difficult times, I think it's really important to help each other out. This crisis we're going through is going to affect everybody. It doesn't matter about your color, race, religion, where you live. It's going to affect all of us, and I believe it's important to help each other out and be humane about this. I think we'll get to the other side and something good will come of this. Humanity will survive. So during this period, I'm going to give away some of my web design courses because I know a lot of people are stuck at home with nothing to do, and if you want to do something a little positive, learn something, you're welcome to get my courses here. I've got 4 of them on the Udemy platform here. There's Bootstrap Make Fast, responsive, cool websites. We make several websites with the Bootstrap framework. That's a bit of coding. You're going to learn HTML and CSS3. We've got an e-commerce one, which is build a free e-commerce store with WordPress. Obviously, it's a WordPress building an e-commerce store. It's based around a free theme. The only thing you're going to have to buy with these is hosting if you're going to put a site up online. But that's a good one if you want to learn how to build your e-commerce store. We've got a local install and migration with WordPress. When I build for clients, I usually build them on my local machine and develop them that way, and then migrate them up to a live website. So there's that one. And this last one, Bootstrap, which is actually the longest and my oldest course. It's got a lot of material in there. It's Bootstrap no coding. And we start off showing you how to edit Bootstrap templates and build your site, and then we go on. We are actually going to show you how to do a bit of coding, and you'll recognize some of those videos from my YouTube channel. Now, to get these for free, I'll put the link to this page down below. You're going to need a coupon, and the coupon code is FREE43, and I'll put that down below also. Due to Udemy's restrictions, these coupons will only last for 3 days, so get them while you can, and I'll try and do some more. I think I can generate another batch of coupons this month, but I'll do what I can. Like I say, guys, be kind, help people out. If this helps you out, please help somebody else out. Share the love a little bit. I believe we'll all come through this, or most of us are going to come through this, and life will resume as normal. So once again, this has been Jamie from System22 and webdesignandtechtips.com. Stay safe. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.